Hi, I'm Paul from PDHSports, leading online racket specialist, and today I am going to do our sort of first ever kind of unboxing. So we've just had arrived the new S-line Diego Elias signature sort of black carbon shoe in this box. So I thought I'd put on my performance line Rackets t-shirt to celebrate. Diego Elias is one of Eye's sort of top sponsored professionals. He's currently world ranked number 12. He's one of sort of 4 players to have won multiple world junior titles. He's a really sort of up and coming rising star. He's already had some great results this year. So Rackets, which sponsors like many of the sort of top professionals, has brought out his own sort of signature shoe, which is here. So so let's have a look. So we already do, so there's like now there's 7 different colorways that we are stocking of this shoe at PDHSports. This is the latest one. So so it's black carbon, they're calling it. So it's got the Eye branding, Eye on the side. It's got the Diego's sort of Puma signature logo. So this shoe, it pretty much it's very lightweight. It comes so look at some of the technologies within this shoe. It's fairly flexible. We've got on the side this feature here for sort of a torsional stability. It comes with a full non-marking sole shoe and a gun rubber, fairly durable sole. It's got a cushioned heel cup, seamless tongue, and reinforced metallic eyelets. You've got a toe guard there, so anybody that drags their foot, should be fine with the sort of durability. It's a fairly sort of robust, durable upper. So this is our sort of the first look at the new colour. Be interested to see what you guys think. And also, just whilst we're here, we've also added some new Eye products. We've got the eye grips now, so we're selling them in boxes. They come in assorted colours, white. But really, today's video was just a chance to have a look and show you guys. We've got so many products coming in at the moment to PDHSports that we thought we'd start to try. And obviously I'm going to do a full review of this shoe and link down below, but in the meantime I thought I'd get this out just so that everyone could have a proper look to see what they think of this shoe now that it's available at PDHSports. Feel free to put some comments down below. If you like this style of video where we're sort of showing what's coming in all the time, we do plan on adding some more, and maybe introducing this as a way of sort of highlighting some of our key products that are arriving at PDHSports. So if you've not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got some really good content coming up. We're trying to add sort of really 3 videos a week at the moment, so that's good. And don't forget to check out our pdhsports.com website.